Seville, where flamenco was born in whitewashed alleys and the largest Gothic cathedral on earth still hums with 3,000 years of history. And you're about to walk past all of it. Group tours that rush you through the cathedral in 20 minutes. A guide waving a flag through Santa Cruz while you strain to hear a single word. Seville deserves more than a checklist. Uvamai's self-guided audio tour puts Seville entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play, and a warm, expert voice walks you through the city at your own rhythm. No rushing, no group, no rigid schedule. Stand beneath the Giralda and hear the story of the tower that survived earthquakes and empires. Walk the halls of the real Alcázar, where Christian, Islamic, and Jewish architecture collide in stunning detail. Cross the Puente de Triana at sunset. Wander Parque de María Luisa. 17 landmarks, each one brought to life one story at a time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Seville, not just photograph it. Available in over a dozen languages. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 17 Seville landmarks. The real story of Andalusia's greatest city. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.